Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now you need to choose additional settings, keyboard and input method, keyboard and finally theme. Over here choose show more to see all available ones, and when you're ready click on the best one for you, like that one. Tap on the switcher next to gray borders to switch them on or off and tap on apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now select a photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you need to select next over here and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then choose done, tap on the switcher next to gray borders to switch them on or off and choose apply. And when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!